Hi there, in this lesson I'm going to look at how to do a scale drawing and then use the scale drawing to calculate the real length from maybe a point to another point on it. Okay, so let's read this. Make a scale drawing to show this 14 metre tall tower as it is viewed from point A 7 metres from the base of the tower, and it tells us the scale there. 1 centimetre is 2 metres. So that's my starting point. I'm going to draw a wee table, put my scale, my reel. I'm going to put at the top 1 centimetre and it's 2 metres. So I look at the diagram and I can see there's 7 metres on there, and I can also see there is 14 metres on there height wise. So this is a dividing by 2 to get the scale drawing size. So divide by 2 and you'll get 3.5, half of 7, I think half of £7, you get £3.50. And then half of 14 is just 7 centimetres. Okay, so let's draw this. So we're going to draw it. So along the way it should be 3.5. So I'm going to go along 3.5, taking care to start at the start of the kind of segments on the ruler, not the start of the ruler, the start of the scale. And that goes all the way to 3.5. There we go. I'll just make that a touch longer, trying to be as accurate as possible. That's perfect. Okay, so I've got 3.5 there. 3.5 centimetres. Now, straight up and down is 7 centimetres. So I'm going to take care to go straight up and down right at the end. And I'm going to go 7 centimetres, like that. Actually, I'll move this down a wee touch, just so we can fit it in the screen. Okay, so 7 centimetres high. So we'll go straight up and stop at 7 there. Okay, now what I can do, because it's a triangle, I can just join those 2 points up. So that's your tower. Don't need to draw the tower. We'll signify it with a straight line, and then we'll draw that diagonal line in, like that. Okay, I'll just change that a wee bit, make it better. Okay, there we are. Now, it says measure the length from point A to the top of the tower. Now that's point A at the bottom there, isn't it? So, because it's got that, it's hiding with the ruler there. There's point A, so I've got to measure there to the top of the tower. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to use this is using my scale drawing to measure. Okay, right, so that looks about right. Starting at the start there, and I would say that was 7.3 centimetres. So 7.3 centimetres. So we'll say that's 7.3 centimetres. Okay, the last bit of this question. What is the real length from point A to the top of the tower? Well, okay, well, it can't be 7.3 centimetres, but we have been given a scale here. So the answer to part C, you've just got to take your 7.3 and double it. Okay, so the answer to part C, you've got your 7.3. You know the scale is 1 centimetre equals 2 metres. So you times it by 2 and you'll get 14.6. By doubling 7 to get 14, doubling 3 to get 0.6. And that comes out to be metres. And you've solved the whole question. You've drawn it, you've measured the length on your scale drawn, and then you've doubled it up to get the real length.